all of you should pay attention to small things. A blade of grass, a leaf, an ant. You saw an ant? Huh? Really closely, you must look at an ant. Whoever made this ant, has it been made with meticulous attention or simply, okay, just a bloody ant? Huh? What do you think? Very well made? Well made or no? Very well made, isn't it? Fantastic ant actually, not just a bloody ant. So if the creator, if the source of creation is willing to pay that much attention to a tiny little ant, who the hell are you to decide what you like and what you dislike? In doing something beyond what is me is where a human being comes to a place where he becomes available for grace. Grace is there. Question is, are we available? We like this, we don't like this. You like a cockroach? Why? Suppose Shiva came in the disguise of a cockroach, what will you do, huh? Namaskaram you'll do. But how will you know it is Shiva or just another cockroach, huh? Huh? How will you know? You don't know. So better do namaskaram to every cockroach because who knows which one is Shiva? It's very simple. This is what this culture taught you. You see a tree, oh Shiva. You see a stone, Shiva. You see a dog, Shiva. You see a cow, Shiva. Because you don't know. You don't know today what is his disguise. Better not take a chance, isn't it? Huh? Better not take a chance. At least start with the human beings. You don't know in what disguise he's come today. Huh? Isn't it? Suppose who knows? This is why, whoever you see, because who knows today what is the disguise? If you're like this, grace will be upon you, there's no question. You don't have to go in search. You don't have to go in search of God or truth, it will rain upon you. It will